Dear mom and dad, I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to be, and now I think the answer is plain to see. I wanna be famous. I wanna live close to the sun. Oh, pack your bags, cause I've already won. Everything to prove, nothing in my way. I'll get there one day. Cause I wanna be famous. Na 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 na. I wanna be famous. I wanna be famous.
Last time on Total Ooshie Island, Ray went home. As you can see, she's not here. But now we are doing another challenge, and yeah, we've got an intro now. Yeah, okay, everybody, welcome to the second episode or second challenge, and let's see. And today we're going to the library. So the library is where we're going, and you have to find the statue. The first team to bring it back here alive, if every single contestant wins. But if you lose, you have to vote someone off. Actually, it'll be a double elimination today. Double elimination? Yes, that's a double elimination. So, do we get girlfriends? I don't know. Okay, cool. Hey, by the way, you want my number? It's 0. Shut the heck up. I am still talking. You weren't talking then? And now I am. Anyway, let's go. Pick your 3 contestants, and we're heading. Follow me, 3 contestants. Oh, I want to wait at the library. Whatever. Okay, so who are you picking? I don't know. Well, I want to go, so I'm going. Who else? Oh, I want to go. Okay. Well, I want to kiss my babe, right, babe? Beep. After D2, you stay behind. Lightning? Nah, bro. I know what happened to Batman. Batman wants to ride me. He does, but he didn't do that in the first episode. How about you, Grumpy Man? Fine, I'll do it, but I don't want to do it. We got our 3 contestants. Let's go. Okay. As I am the team leader, I've got my son. I'm not your son. Yes, you are, sweetie. Sweetie, don't worry. I am not your son. I'm another contestant. I'm just very small. Anyway, I say our son will go. Fine. To get away from you guys. Batman, you can go. Yeah, I hope Lightning McQueen's don't want to ride him. Sorry, dude. And I'll go. I'm the quietest one here. Out. Anyway, guys, you only have a couple minutes left. So, chill. Oh, you already chose? Well, time to go. Yeah. Black Widow, come on. No. Damn, she's hot. Wow. Look who it is, the other team. Duh. They need to go. So you guys are going to be watching on the TV, but since I don't really have another iPhone or iPad, so you just want to chill here, okay? Now, let's go to the library, guys. Fuck you. Hey, babe. No, talking about babes. Oh, damn, how do you turn this thing off? Okay, so, I know I said I don't want to be here, but now I do. I want to win that $1 million. I'm just going to play along, be the best on my team. Got it? And it's a double elimination today, which also sucks. Hope I don't get eliminated. I'm not going to vote myself. I'm going to vote Lightning. He's annoying. He's a car. He's annoying. He should not even be on the show. Like, why is a car on this show? Seriously. Like, fucking seriously. Do you guys agree? Like, why the fuck is there a car on this show? Anyway, gotta go. Time to hide this golden crown. They have to find this crown to win. Let's hide it. And yeah, this is a library set. Isn't it cool? By the way, you have to be really quiet. If you don't be quiet, the demon will get you. And I will wait till the demon gets you. Anyway, I'll show you where I hid it. Do we see it? It's right there. They will never find it. Hello, my buddies. Welcome to the library. Wow. I'm so excited to be here. Did I give you permission to speak? Because I don't remember giving you permission to speak. So only speak when you're spoken to. You sound like my middle school teacher. I do? Well, go find the crown and I'll be out because I don't want to make loud noises. Because the monster will get you. What the fuck was he talking about? Anyway, we gotta go looking for this crown. I think it's up high. It's not up here, guys. I haven't seen it. Let's look for a crown. Well, better get looking. I hate the library. You have to be very quiet or that demon thing will get you. I know. I heard what he said. I secretly replaced the crown with a broom, so they have to find a broom. If they find the broom, they'll win. It's in a different spot too as well. Funny. I hate being up high. Guys. Stop. I hate being up high as well, bro. Whoa. I got you. I know you're on a different team, but I'm gonna help my friends. I don't know where that crown is, but Lenny said he replaced it with a broom. So I'm gonna find that broom. If I don't find it, Mando, what the hell are you doing? I'm tired. I'm trying to get my energy up so I can climb on the walls. You possibly cannot do that. Yes, I can. Boy, that's dumb. I'm a girl. Oh. Girl, that's dumb. Thank you. Mando. Have you found it yet? No, I have not found it because I've been laying down. Don't make too much noise, the monster. What? Ow, what hit me? Sorry, I fell. The only reason why I'm here is because I want to get rid of my parents. What was that? I think we woke up the demon. Great, just great. I'm going up high. Wait for me. That's better, I know. So much better. You fool. You fell. Stay up here, guys. Black Widow, the demon. I got out. Wait, did you wake it up, the demon? Oh, I'm going. The demon's hand. It's got me. Oh man, I'm out. When you get out, you get thrown in a dumpster. Oh man. That was scary. Did you see that? The demon's hand grabbed him and just throwed him. Of course you couldn't be able to see it. But yeah, the demon. Ow. Oh, he didn't see me. I got a warn. Angry. I fell back down, but I got a warn angry. Angry. I can't climb. Mando, what did you want? They took our teammate. It's just us two. Okay. I don't know where my other teammate went. I don't even think he's participating. Like, where is Batman? Batman, where are you? Like, come on, Batman. I actually don't think he wanted to compete. And the monster's coming, so he better run. He's not coming. That's just Cap. Oh, he grabbed it. Help! Angry! I gotta find that broom. Angry told me. Yeah, me too. Let's see who will be the first one to save their friends as well. I forgot. We have to bring all our friends as well. Shit. Just saving our friends. Come on, guys. Let's go. Find a thing. We're all not on their team, but okay. Ah! See? I am a good person. Guys, how did you get out? Batman saved us. That's where he was. Yep. Anyway, I know where the broom is, but I need your help getting up. You know where the broom is? Where? Actually, Black Widow's already got the broom, so you better hurry up. Heh. No! Hey, losing team. Guess what? I got the broom in my hand. Not my broom now. Come on, guys. Let's go. Actually, nah, it's my broom. Buzz. I got the broom. You do? Let me see if that's the real broom then. It is. And where's your teammates? Right here. Yeah. No, we lost. Well, meet me back at campsite. Okay? Hey ladies, the contestants is over. I have a boyfriend. Yeah, she does. Guys. Your team wins. Yeah, we lost, guys, again. We suck. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. We won! Yeah, we won. Time to party. Party, my willa. You can stop now. Okay. Oh, we did it! Yay! Yeah, let's go, ladies. Now come on with me. Can you stop that, please? Bro, you always say that. Fine. Yay, we won! Son, you did it. I'm not your son, I'm just small. He's our son. Yep. Now, you team, meet me at the elimination ceremony tonight, right now. Okay. Hello, team not Robo, I think. And you can stop making out now, okay? Fine. Anyway, who are we voting for? Go to the confessional and vote. Your choice. And remember, it's double elimination. Oh. Sheesh. Okay, vote. I'm voting myself, because I want to win. You're not meant to vote yourself, because that means you want to be eliminated. Oh. I vote Storm. I vote Mando. I vote Storm. Anyways, my brother, but he did nothing. I vote Red. He's always angry. I vote Storm. He needs to be eliminated right now. We vote Storm. Yeah. I vote Red. He's angry all the time. Red, you is a bitch. Red, bruh. Red. So I got the vote. Now time to tell them. Okay, guys. So the people who are safe are Lightning, Elastigirl, Mando, Darth Vader, R2-D2, Kid. You two. I don't know why. The people going home are Red and Storm. What? Why? Yeah, why? Well, probably because of challenge. Now follow me. Sad. Double elimination? Wow. Got any last words? This show sucks. I'm gonna jump myself. Your last word? I don't know why people vote for me. I'm the nicest one. Well, bye. I was gonna kick him, but they jumped. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. See ya in the next episode. Peace out.